So you just bought a house, you're about ready to move in, and you want to know the condition of the roof and if you need new shingles or how old your roof is. A lot of times, just to warn you, home inspectors, about 50% of them never even get on the roof. And if they do get on the roof, they don't really know what they're looking at because they're not experts. So my advice would be, if you're just buying a new house and you're moving in, I would hire a roofer and give you an assessment of the roof so that you know. But if you're a do-it-yourselfer and you want to get up there and look, things that you're looking for, you are looking for what we call delamination. Are looking for what we call delamination, which means that the grit is coming off the shingles. If it's a shingle roof, I'm assuming it's a shingle roof that you're looking at. And so if that is happening, it's usually around the edges of the shingle, you can see the frayed edge. That's how it starts. And depending on how bad it is, that tells you how old the roof is. So if you're not seeing any of that, you're probably in good shape. But just because the shingles are in good shape doesn't mean that you have a great roof. There's a lot of roofs out there where the roofers didn't do a proper job on the flashing and the edge metals and all of that. And so that's really where it helps to have a professional come out and take a look, because they know what they're looking at.